Morning, y'all. Happy Monday. Yeah, I know it's rare I do a video on Monday. Terry wanted some soup, but not just any soup. She wanted tomato basil soup. Why? Who knows? So I found me a recipe. It's pretty simple. So I got 4 tomatoes. I got some basil. It says I need 14 basil leaves. That's like 12 for the soup and 2 for garnish, I'm thinking. We'll see. Stick of butter, a cup of heavy whipping cream. I need 4 cups of tomato juice, some salt and pepper. That's all there is to it. So, take a tomato, turn it upside down, and put your X cross in it, whatever you want to call it. Just like that. We're going to do that. I got a pot of boiling water back there. And we're going to drop the tomatoes in there for, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute, just till the skin start to peel back. And then we'll drop them in, take them out and drop them in some ice water for 5 minutes. And then we'll clean them. So, let me drop these in the water and then we'll be back in a few. Okay, that's what they look like. It was about 40 seconds in the boiling water and about 5 minutes in the ice bath. So now we just got to peel them off, skin off of them here. I'll show you what you do to one and then I'll do the rest of them off camera. So just take the skin off. And then we got to take the seeds out of these. And the easiest way to do that is just cut down through the middle of it. Guess I could have sharpened my knife.
Yeah, since that's your good knife.
And then just stick your finger in there and take them seeds out. Get out of there. Something like that. And we're going to slice them up. Dice them up. Just like this. So let me get the rest of these clean. We'll show you what we do next. Okay, so I got my tomatoes cut up and mostly de-seeded. So we're going to go in the pan here with them. And then over here I got 4 cups of tomato juice. That's going in there with it. We're going to take this over to the stove. Bring it to a boil. After it boils, turn it down, let it simmer for 30 minutes, and then we'll be back after that. Okay, that's been simmering for 30 minutes. Now I gotta drop the basil in and get the boat motor out and hope I don't make a mess. I think that's okay. Okay, get rid of this. Stick of butter. Just drop it all in there. 1 cup of heavy cream. Put this back on the fire. Get me a little salt and pepper. And we just gotta bring this up to temperature, let the butter melt, let the cream get warm. At this point, you don't want to boil this now. You just want everything to get hot and melted. And you salt and pepper to taste. I used unsalted butter, so when that gets all mixed up and hot, we'll be back with a bowl and show you what it looks like. Okay, that's what I ended up with. I could have blended a little smoother, but I ain't going to eat it, so it don't matter. So we'll let this cool off, then have Terry come back and give it a taste and let you know what she thinks. So we'll be back as soon as this cools off enough to eat.
Okay.
All right, Terry, give that stuff a taste and let everybody know what you think.
It's yummy.
What?
It's yummy.
That's sickening to me.
No, it's yummy.
Okay, well, there you go. It's an easy recipe. It's what she wanted.
It's what I wanted.
And God knows why I do stuff like this. But there you go. Now you got a tomato basil soup in my videos. And like I said, it's a real simple recipe. So, hey, if you like that kind of junk, go make you some. We're going to get out of here. She got to go to bed so she can work tonight. I got to go get some beer. Y'all have a good one now. We'll see you next time.